Hey guys, crappie fishing at Grenlock Lake, New Jersey. Just caught this nice crappie. I found where they're all hiding. It's a stick that's under the water. Some cover over there, so I'm gonna try to catch some more. I'm using a little jig, so I'm definitely gonna get more, definitely. Just got another one on the next cast using a Gary Automato panfish jig. Yeah, alright. There's definitely more over there. They're all camping over there. Just stick like right there. Alright. Here's a nice little crappie. He got it right in the top of his mouth. They're really hitting over there. I missed like 4. And hopefully I catch a nice slab. So I'll get back.